Hi, my name is Joanna, and today I'm reviewing this 4-tier foldable shelf, and it does have 4 wheels that rotate 360 degrees. I love that it requires basically no assembly, literally unfolds and it's ready to go. I also really like that it's sturdy, has wheels for easy movement, and can hold a lot without taking up too much space. One of the best things about the shelf is that it's completely foldable. When you don't need it, you can just fold it up and store it away. It takes up almost no space. But when you do set it up, it gives you 4 spacious tiers of storage, perfect for books, bins, home essentials, or even garage tools. The high-quality metal frame is designed to be durable, and it supports up to 600 pounds when the wheels are off, or 240 pounds with the wheels, which is still a lot. The triangular reinforcement structure makes it really stable, so you don't have to worry about it wobbling or tipping over. And speaking of wheels, this thing rolls so smoothly. It comes with 4 360 degrees rotating wheels, and 2 of them have brakes so you can lock it in place when you need it. This is great for when you want to move it around from one spot to another, like in the kitchen, garage, or office. What I also love is that it's versatile. You can use this for your home, office, kitchen, laundry room, or even in the garage. It's strong enough to hold things like tools or storage bins, but stylish enough to fit in your home for books and decor. Plus, the open design makes everything easy to see and access, so you don't have to dig through storage bins to find what you need. Overall, I think this is a really practical and space-saving storage solution. If you need something that's sturdy, easy to move, and folds up when not in use, this is definitely worth checking out. I think the hardest part about this is deciding what I'm going to use this for, because I can think of so many different things. So I definitely recommend this.